If you're looking for a way to safely secure the rugs in your home, these anti-slip rug grips are amazing. They're sold in a pack of 8 and attached to the corners of your rugs so they don't budge. When it's time to remove, they don't damage or leave behind any residue, and they can even be rinsed with water for repeated use.
Food tray sits over sofa arms to securely hold drinks and snacks, or make this a large tray that just rests nearby you on the sofa to hold a lot more items. Keep organized by placing items that easily get lost on this couch tray.
If you always spill your drink, then you need this gadget. This is the Couch Coaster. It is a weighted armrest that works to hold your mug, drink, remote, and even phone. It is anti-slip, so you don't ever have to worry about spilling your drink.
Shopping and running errands easy and fun with your own super lightweight shopping cart that you can configure 3 different ways. It fully expands out, comes with a reusable box for groceries and errands, is designed to go upstairs to easily put items away, and is super easy to store in your trunk.
This slim 2-tier shelf comes fully assembled so you can set it up in a matter of seconds. It's the perfect companion in any bathroom to keep all of your essentials organized.
This fully adjustable bed caddy slides under any mattress and comes with 2 USB ports to charge your devices. It holds tablets, books, magazines, remotes, and your drink, and adjusts down when not used.
These are microfiber screen cleaner animal friends. My phone screen and camera are always so dirty and I never have a way to clean them. This little pet can stick to the back of your phone so you always have a way to keep your screen clean. You can also use it for your glasses or computer.
Automatic toilet brush, which can be put into the handle by cleaning agent. When using it, just press the switch. It is also very convenient to store it without using it.
This kitchen gadget not only stores your tinfoil or saran wrap, but it also cuts it perfectly by simply pressing down. You load your tinfoil or saran wrap on the bar that it comes with, place it right back in the dispenser and close it, pull your desired amount, and then press down to cut. It makes it really easy to wrap up sandwiches, cover up leftovers, and everything in between. You can lock it up when you're not using it, and it comes in a few different colors.
Dish drying rack is perfect for everyday use. It's stainless steel and silicone, so it grips your sink and stays there. It also has a built-in utensil holder and a spot for your lids too. I love using it for when I'm washing my fruits and veggies as well. You can also use it for a cooling rack. Be sure to measure your sink before you purchase, as there are a few different sizes available.
This set is a kitchen must-have. The key feature is that the handles are interchangeable between the pots and pans, making it so convenient for storing in the cupboard, kitchen drawers, and the fridge for leftovers. The 11-piece set comes with 2 handles, 2 fridge storage lids, and 2 silicone lids.
Not only does this compact travel gadget come with a wireless charger and built-in catch-all tray for your accessories while traveling, but the inside is a fully customizable travel organizer you can customize for each trip. It also acts as a wallet with card slots and a place for your boarding pass. It's super lightweight and fits into most bags.
Absolutely love the taste of homemade popcorn, but I hate the mess it makes. This gadget allows you to make popcorn in minutes and you don't need any oil or butter. Just add your kernels and pop it in the microwave.
Amazon must-have. Replace your bottle's original cap or pump with the Flip It. It gets every last drop out of your favorite product. Use them in the bathroom, the kitchen, laundry room, and more. They are BPA-free, food, and dishwasher safe.
Amazon Kitchen Hack. Watch what happens when you put these underwater. They expand in seconds to a regular size sponge. I love that they save space under my kitchen sink.
I have a gadget I think you'll love. We have pizza night every Friday, and we've been using this since we got it. This pizza pack is genius. Instead of storing a big box in the fridge, use this expandable pizza pack. It also has 5 microwavable plates. It keeps your pizza fresh longer, and when not in use, it collapses for easy storage.
Absolute game changer in the kitchen. You can use it for so many food items,
like nuts. You can use it for garlic and onion. I love that the blade comes out not only for easy removal of your food, but it's also super safe to clean as well. You get 30 days of work time and just 3 hours of charge. This is a kitchen must-have.
One of the first items I bought for the new home is this microfiber dish drying rack. I love that I have a spot to temporarily store the dishes that I don't put in the dishwasher. I also really like how pretty the design is. It folds up for easy storage and you can throw it in the wash too.
Countertop snack dispenser has a wide enough mouth to easily pour out pasta, small snacks, rice, beans, cereal, oatmeal, and even dog food. This waterproof mat protects your under kitchen sink area from leaks and spills. These multi-purpose silicone mats act as a splatter guard and microwave mat, pan grabber, jar opener, utensil rest, trivet, and are easy to clean. Tools organizer has a built-in section to hold a power strip, allowing you to create an outlet and use your hot tools anywhere in your bathroom. It's also great for holding additional hair products. These aesthetic hair catchers suction to your shower floor so they don't move, prevent clogged drains, and are super easy to clean. And this foot scrubber has a built-in pumice stone for easily washing feet and keeping them soft.
It's like a regular handbag, but it's actually a toiletry bag that's surprisingly really spacious. It comes with a removable bottom pouch, a few containers, and a chain if you want to wear it as a handbag. Second is this toothbrush case that sanitizes your brush using UV light.
Amazon shopping finds. This foldable cart has a lid and 360-degree wheels, allowing you to go up the stairs with ease. It's great for grocery shopping or transporting all kinds of stuff. And this grocery bag clip twists and locks all of your bags into place, making them easier to carry in your hand or over your shoulder.
Organizers are a great way to store your plates and bowls in an RV or in a small kitchen. This over-the-sink bamboo cutting board maximizes counter space. You can even run your sink while in place. This strong magnetic shelf keeps the spices organized in the cabinet and frees up counter space while cooking. It can hold up to 6 pounds. These finds make cooking in a small space so much easier.
Amazon organization find. If you have dead space in your closets, grab a set of these wire baskets to create more storage for smaller objects such as socks, hats, shoes, and toys. These baskets can be placed anywhere you need with no drilling or tools required. The set comes with adhesive wall mounts with hooks that can hold up to 20 pounds of weight each. These worked great in my toddler's closet, but you could also use them in your kitchen pantry, office, garage, or anywhere else throughout your home where you needed some extra storage. You can buy them in packs of 2, 3, or 4, and they also come in black. I'm gonna have them for you in my Amazon storefront under the cleaning and organization list. Make sure you follow for more.
Useful Amazon travel gadget. This 4-in-1 container will allow you to organize and dispense 4 liquids in one. Each bottle is leak-proof and refillable, and it also comes with 15 labels. Whether you're going traveling or camping, we feel this is a must-have gadget for summer.
Whether you're hosting Thanksgiving or a party, you'll want the world's largest turntable built for dining room tables and kitchen counters. Each tray is heat resistant to act as a trivet and also non-slip so food stays in place. This gadget takes less than 2 minutes to put together, and you can expand it to add even more trays. Entertaining this season has never been easier.